here with Able Distributors. Today we're going over the control for the new NTI TRX boiler. And what we're going to talk about is just some of the simple controls. So if you see here, you've got the faucet. So this is the domestic side of the boiler, and this you've got a little radiator. So this is the hydronic side, the heating side of this boiler. Most of your up and down and your selections are going to be on this plus or this minus. The only time you'll use the hot water side is when you're setting the time. You'll set the hour over here and the minute over here. So let's just get started. So to get into the Contractors menu, we're going to hit OK and Escape. We're going to hold those down at the same exact time. And what we're waiting for is 222 to come up on the screen. And once that 222 comes up, we're going to quickly, because you only got about 8 seconds, we're going to scroll all the way up to 234. We're going to hit OK. That gets us into the menu. So we're in the menu, so we're going to hit OK one more time. Now we've got a flashing 0. And let's say that the first thing we want to do is set the temperature range. So we're going to scroll that 0 up to 4. We're going to hit OK. It puts a decimal point there. And the temperature range, the first parameter we're going to set is 420. So we're going to scroll this up to 2, hit OK. 0 is what we want. We're going to hit OK. Now that's the temperature range. It comes from the factory at a 1, which is a high temperature range between 86 and 180 degrees. We're going to set this one at 0 for low temperature, 66 to 122. So we're good there. We're going to get out of there, and now you'll notice that the 4.2 stays and just the last digit's flashing. So we're going to go all the way up to 425. We're going to scroll up to 5, hit OK. And that's the maximum temperature range, 113. I think we should go a little hotter than that. We're going to go maybe 119. Set it by OK. Now you'll see the 4.2 stays and the 5 stays flashing. But now let's say I wanted to go all the way up to 475 parameter, the auto boost on or off. So I'm going to hit Escape to get out of that 5. Now the 2 is flashing. Now it'll allow me to 47, 475. That's the auto boost function. 1 is it's on, 0 is it's off. I want it on, so I'm fine with that. Now let's say we want to go to the minimum temperature setting. Well, that's parameter 426. So obviously I got to back up a little bit, so I'm going to escape out of that one. The middle digit's now flashing. I'm going to go down to 2, hit OK. The last digit's flashing. I'm going to go up to 6, hit OK. And that's our minimum temperature. So I set the supply temperature for 119, the high end. I don't want it to modulate that much or have that much of a swing. So I'm going to increase this to 110. Hit OK, and then we're good. And once you're done going through all the parameters, you can find every single one of the parameters on pages 60 through 73 of the instruction manual. You just simply hit Escape, and it starts removing the digits. It'll remove the menu. Now it's going back to your original setting. This shows you that neither the hot water or the radiant heat is on right now, and it's just in standby mode. Thank you.